Woodpecker, Alain made me
this nice rack for wine bottles and glasses. Like most of my projects, I start by cutting and surfacing soft pieces of birch. Using the table saw, I rip them to 2.5 inches. Then to the desired thickness. Now that I have enough pieces to make the supports for all the wine glasses, I tilt my blade to 20 degrees and cut both sides of every piece. After that, I remove the unwanted sections. The saw blade left some burn marks that I removed by sanding with the belt sander. The other sides are smoothed with the orbital sander. Now I can cut all the supports. After I'm done, I noticed that I sanded some pieces crooked, so I sand them straight in the drum sander. Now I can cut all the other pieces to build the two racks. When I have all the pieces, I sand them in the drum sander. I cut 2 long strips, which will hold all the supports together. I mark where I'll put the screws and I drill holes for them. Both pieces are held together with carpet tape, so all the holes will line up. I chamfer all the holes on both strips. Then I put all the supports on my workbench with spacers between them. Using the same drill bit I used to drill the holes, I mark the spot where I'll drill the pilot holes and I drill them. Then, I screw each support to the strips. It's time now to mark where I'll put the holes for the bottlenecks. I drill the first hole. The others are drilled at uniform intervals with the help of an indexing pin. When all the holes are done, I cut the board in the center of the holes. Without moving my rip fence, I rip all the other pieces for the bottle rack. Then, I cut all of them to length. Like the glasses rack, I lay every piece on my workbench and mark where I'll drill the pocket holes. I drill all of them and screw the pieces. I do the same things for both sides and the back of the rack. I sand the rack to remove the pencil marks. The sharp corners are sanded by hand. I do the same thing for the bottle rack. I use compressed air to remove the dust and I clean everything with alcohol. Since Aline doesn't want any finish on her rack, my job is done. Here is Aline's new wine rack for bottles and glasses. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for another episode of the Woodpecker.